What's good, YouTube? This your boy Ghostfighter 2T's. You know I'm back with another informative video, and today we'll be doing a video that I've been wanting to do for a while now. I've been busy doing other things, but we're gonna get right on into it. This is by Vibe. This is a foldable phone stand, adjustable stand, suction base, lightweight, and portable. Y'all see what it's looking like right here, and I need one of these so when I'm streaming and I'm wanting to read the captions that comes up on my streams that I do and my videos when I put out videos and I premiere. So with that said, yeah, I want you guys to go ahead and hit me with that sub button. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. And hit me with that like. I appreciate that as well. And hey, make sure you guys go down in the comment section and make sure you guys leave me a like. It's definitely linked right into the algorithm of you guys finding this video, and I hope it's informative and it's help you guys. So we'll get right on to the unboxing. Right off the bat, Aaliyah, right off the bat, this is a $5 or $10 item. We'll say high side 10 because I'm not sure if it was 5 or 10. And you can see up close the different things that you can do, what kind it is. And I got it from 5 and Below. And I'm pretty sure there's a 5 and Below online. I've even said it in my other video. So these things aren't very expensive, guys, and they work really well. It's pretty much like some type of plastic they're using to make these different gadgets. But I'm pretty sure almost everybody's using some type of plastic, even for the stuff that's high end. So without further ado, we're gonna get right in the box. I'm gonna use my wife's purple looking phone to mount it on. So let's see if we can. I wish there was an easier way to get into these without having to take all this tape off. It's like so much time messing with tape. Leah, no respect. Alright. You gotta excuse my big mouth kids. So here we go. Oh, I like the packaging, the way they got it packaged. So come with that. Sweet. I think that's pretty cool. All right, so it has a suction on the bottom, so you just kind of peel that off. Satisfying, and it's a little sticky. It's a little sticky. So let's see how it all works. So. Oh gosh, I feel like I'm breaking it. Okay, maybe I'm not. So, woo! Look, it's shaking my table. That thing is pretty sturdy. So, okay, so that's what it does. Like this, like so, and then you can take and put the. Oh gosh. I think you turn it this way and I can put the phone in there. Okay, so then I can tilt the phone wherever I want it, wherever I'm at. So just so that you guys can get a view of what it looks like. You can see it's on the stand. You can see how it's mounted down. There you have it. And yeah, this one's pretty much right to the point. And it has a good station for stand where it's gonna be. Wow, I mean, this thing is suction down really, really good. This thing is suction down really good. I don't wanna break it, but the suction on this thing is crazy. I think I would lift up or down on this and it comes loose. All right, I'll figure it out when the video is over because that thing's starting to irritate me. But look, you can see you can do all angles. And I'm pretty sure if the phone's heavier, you won't be able to do it as much. But it'll definitely do what you need to do. Not all phones are this heavy. This phone's pretty heavy, but you can see you can extend it and pretty much put it wherever you want. And I'm pretty sure the heavier the phone, the harder it is going to be to stay in place. But you can see it's really sturdy. Look, shaking my table. Look at that. That thing's not going nowhere. It's suction real tight and sticky. All right, so you know where to go get it. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video, just showing you another gadget that you can go pick up at your nearest Five and Below if you have one, or Five Below online. It probably comes to you in the mail, I'm not sure. I have to look into that because a lot of these gadgets I'll be finding there, and they're really cool. So, all right, love you guys. Make sure y'all hit me with a sub, like, and comment. Let's go to 2T's, and I'm out.